Safety is a key initiative of the United States DOT, Department of Transportation. That is why so many commercial transportation employees who handle or travel with hazardous material must complete hazmat training courses. DOT hazmat training can apply to loading and unloading or handling any classification of hazardous materials. Of course, every trucking professional who transports hazmat goods counts as a hazmat employee. Even workers who only prepare hazardous materials for transportation become designated by the DOT as hazmat employees in need of training. The Department of Transportation also applies hazmat employee status to those who test, manufacture, or repair hazardous materials. If any of these roles apply to your profession, then there is a very strong chance that you must take part in hazmat training. Otherwise, your company can face severe fines and penalties from the DOT and FMCSA, Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. The key is to ensure that you and your businesses adhere to DOT 49 CFR regulations. The DOT 49 CFR training regulations focus on the following information. First, the DOT wants to ensure that every employer and employee has general awareness about HMR, hazardous materials regulations. Through training about these DOT policies, you can recognize how to recognize hazardous materials whenever you or your employee comes into contact with them. Once you complete the DOT's HMR hazmat training, you can move on to function-specific DOT hazmat courses. These courses will help you understand specific hazmat regulations based on your unique job. This applies whether you're a hazmat trucker, handler, or another type of profession. One of the key initiatives of hazmat training is to help hazmat drivers avoid accidents. Plus, training for employers concentrates on protecting employees from being exposed to hazardous materials. Security awareness is another crucial DOT training topic for hazmat carriers. This training will help you focus on becoming aware of potential security breaches. That is because hazmat transportation can involve many safety risks. Through DOT training, you can learn how to improve and execute all standard hazmat security measures and also how to respond to potential security threats. Here at FMCSAregistration.com, we can provide full-scale DOT hazmat training courses to any transportation business or employee. Each course focuses on making U.S. Department of Transportation regulations simple to understand. Our hazmat experts can also set up customized courses to meet your exact training needs. One course might instruct you on how to fill out and close hazardous material packages. Another course can teach you how to label, mark, and placard materials, or how to prevent accidents when loading or unloading hazmat shipments. To set up a DOT training program today, all you need to do is click the link below. Or if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 866-477-0707. Our third-party team is standing by to provide you with comprehensive training that can help you and your carrier maintain excellent compliance with the U.S. government. Remember, in most cases, safety training is not an option within the hazmat sector. Instead, the DOT has mandated the training for almost every transportation professional who is near hazardous materials. That is why you cannot delay completing required hazmat training. Whether you need first-time or recurrent training, FMCSAregistration.com is standing by to assist. Our team looks forward to guiding you towards quick and thorough completion of DOT hazmat training.